Hi, I'm Gary Hecker, supervising Foley artist here at Sony Pictures Entertainment in Culver City, California. I've been at the craft of Foley for 30 years now. I started at a very young age, designing this craft, figuring out the craft, learning about sound. Welcome to Sony Pictures Studios. We're gonna go inside the Foley stage here. Stage A, this is like the top Foley stage in the world. This is my crew here at Sony. This is Rick Owens, my right-hand man out on the stage, and this is Randy Singer, right-hand man behind the glass. This is our new console we just got rolling here. It's a Avid S6 M40 console. It's state-of-the-art. One of the first films that I had the pleasure of working on that was really lit me up in my career was Empire Strikes Back. That really motivated me, and I decided at a young age then that I wanted to do this for my career. Since then I've worked on over 300 films. 3 Spider-Man films here, 1, 2, and 3. There's another one coming out we're going to be doing. From the director Quentin Tarantino, Hateful Eight. From Zack Snyder, film 300. War of the Worlds. This is from Steven Spielberg. This was nominated for an Oscar for Best Sound. Peter Weir's Master and Commander with Russell Crowe. This actually won the Oscar for Best Sound, so we provided the Foley for that on this stage here. And then, of course, the Hunger Games. Just this year, me and my crew, we designed the Foley on Fast 7, Insurgent, and there's a big film coming out that was a video game they've now made into a feature theatrical release, World of Warcraft. And currently, we're working on the big Warner Brothers film, Batman versus Superman. We also do video games and everything that you can imagine, and that's Stage A. We're topping the swish with the metal zing. All these guys are going to have signature sounds so that when the players are playing the game, it will associate that sound with those characters. Were actually used in Spider-Man 1, 2, and 3. A little thing that I used to create the webs. Sounds will make this experience more dynamic and more interesting and more exciting, and that's why people come to Sony Stage A.